Hi, so the word we're going to be talking about today is the word penultimate. And the word penultimate is a synonym for the term last but one. So if we are talking about a sequence of things or a list of things, the penultimate item in the list is the item before the final item, because it kind of comes from the word ultimate. Ultimate means final or last in a sort of sequence of events or a list. So the penultimate item in the list is the item immediately before the last item. So for example, you could talk about the penultimate stage in a sporting event. For example, the semi-finals in the World Cup will be the penultimate games of the competition, and the finals will be the ultimate game or the final game of the competition. And so that's how we use the word penultimate. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.